So we had very wonderful presentations here that we just experienced, and it's really amazing for everyone here. As Mr. Ahmed also told me that when he uploaded the videos on YouTube, a lot of people said that it's strange that after just 40 days, the students are speaking so good English. And to me, if you ask, I don't say that you spent 40 days. You spent even fewer days than 40. You started on the 20th of April, and it's 29th today. And you spoke yesterday as well. But there are some other mistakes that I want to point out so that they may not be repeated again and again. Okay, let's have a look at some general mistakes. Many students came here and they said they are for English language skills. No, they're not the English language skills. They are actually the language skills. Whatever the language is, it may be Urdu, Punjabi, English, whatever. Whenever you talk of any language, you say there are four language skills. Okay, they are the four basic language skills or the four primary language skills, and they're found in every language. And many of the students, when they were speaking, they said language skill. There are four language skill. There are two descriptive skill. There are two receptive skill. No, if you're saying two, there must be the plural noun after that. Four skills, two skills. Okay, not skill. Then some of the students pronounced the word cardinal. They said ordinal and cardinal. No, cardinal. Cardinal and ordinal. Then, when you people were giving the difference between what and which, a lot of students said, what did the speaker say and how did the speaker? No, you must say how the speaker says and what the speaker says. Okay? No past tense, no helping verb, because we are actually not giving a question here. We are just giving a statement. So you have to say what means what the speaker says and how the speaker says. Okay, okay. Then about holy, many students said that a book that is a source of guidance in a religion, that's called holy. No, it's not called holy. It's a holy book. We use the word holy for that source of guidance, but the word book must also be there. Okay, so you must say that there are holy books in the revealed religions, like we have got the Holy Quran. The Holy Quran. What's this? It means this is a holy book. Then someone said, I think it was Ahmad, I don't remember, KPK. He said it stands for Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. For Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, KPK is not the right term. It's actually KP only. KP. Okay? Because most of the people don't know what to say in English. But the right term is KP because Pakhtunkhwa is a single word in Pashto. Khyber is a separate word and Pakhtunkhwa is another word. But no third word is there. So you must say KP, KP, KP. And then, and it's a little bit a matter of concern when you people speak, when you are given the examples of acronyms. Everyone gave the same three examples: WASA, NASA, NADRA. I think if you pay attention to your own presentation, just change them. You got WAPDA, FESCO, LESCO, MEPCO, a lot of things are there. UNICEF is there, ICAP is there. Okay? Then, the same mistake, like the people said, there are two types of questions: polar question and non-polar question. You can say polar question, non-polar question, but when you say polar question means these are the questions. How is it possible then? If you say polar questions, then you can use these. If you say polar question, then this. Got it? Then, and someone also said that there are three types of questions. No, only two types of questions. Because when you put a tag question is not a separate type. That's actually a polar question, but we use it for confirmation. And it's not necessary that we always use it for confirmation. Sometimes there are real questions with them as well. If the question is real, then the tone gets on rising. But if it's not a question, if it's just for the sake of confirmation, in that case, we use the falling tone. Then the word is non, not none, non-polar, not non-polar, non-polar. Then the difference between fetch and bring. You must say when you walk over to something, it means you're going to fetch. But if the thing is lying with you, then you bring it. Then, yeah, someone said, rather, I think everyone said, weather is a changeable condition. Whose condition? Changeable? Atmospheric condition. The atmosphere actually changes there. Okay? So, the changeable atmospheric condition is weather, and the permanent atmospheric condition is climate. And the four parts of the year are seasons. Then someone said every language has no every after every you have to use singular noun. There shouldn't be the plural noun. Okay. Then and one thing is missing out of your presentations. You must pay attention to the transitions. Transition means whenever you are using one thing and you are moving towards the next one, there must be some connection between the two. Like first you say that I'm going to tell you the difference between what and which, and abruptly you say acronyms. No, you're changing the topic. You must say, now I'm moving towards the next topic. Now I'm heading towards the next topic. Now I'm going to shed light on the next topic. And that's acronyms. You must use these transitions so that there may be some logical connection. Coherence must be there in your presentations. And then, when you talk of formal, semi formal, and informal, these are the levels of language. We must use the word level there. We use the formal level of language when we go to the offices, and we use the semi formal level of language when we talk to the people who we know but we are not on friendly terms with them. But when we are talking to our friends and relatives, like at homes, we use what informal level of language. Yes, I got a student here, Shahabuddin. Please come forward. Raju.